Good day, my name is Peter Weversen. I was captain today of the over 40s. Yeah, very big chase that we had to do there. I think after 9 overs we did very well. Our power play also went well, went 5 over, but then yeah, Jaden and Simon and Nicole, yeah, they put up a nice show there of a lot of sixes, and yeah, we had quite a big score to chase. So yeah, unfortunately we also dropped a few catches. I think CCD, if both teams need to improve some way, it's in the fielding and in the catching. Yeah, and on our part, Wessel Neuberg, brilliant innings there. Nice 100, he kept us in the game until about the last 3-4 overs. When he got a bit tired, but yeah, brilliant innings from him as well. I thought we stayed in the game quite well. Yeah, and we're over 40, so yeah, we're not that fast and practicing that much anymore, but yeah, we to enjoy it, so it was, yeah, quite fun to come out here. Yeah, thanks a lot.